So the owner of the neighboring building has put up these new lights, and while they don't look special in any way, they are brighter than 1,000 suns. And it's time to block them out because they get into my bedroom despite the curtains I have up, which are big, thick winter curtains, and they're 8 feet thick and they still can't block the light. And I'm gonna fix that up. Let's see what we can do here. So there's these spots up here that I can hang stuff from, which is what I think I'm gonna do. It's just where the gutter attaches to the house, but as you can see, oh no, my roof's rotting. That's not good. Well, it's not the whole roof, just this one little spot, but that's still not good. I'll take care of that another time. So I'm gonna hang this wire up. I went to the Daiso, which is like the dollar store. I'm gonna hang up this wire here and hope for the best. But yeah, my roof, I sprayed it with lacquer. I'm gonna try to get another year or two out of it before we have to replace it, because downstairs is being attacked by termites, and that's gonna cost 30 grand. And I don't want to spend another 15 grand on a new roof. So anyways, I'm gonna try to get another year or two out of it before I have to spend all that money. So I'm just gonna run this wire along here. So we'll cut a few pieces off, tighten them in here, see what we can do. So be right back. All right, so I've got this aluminum wire just gently tied up here. It's not, doesn't need to be tight, not for what I'm planning here. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start hanging some stuff up here. But I have a plan, so let's see what we can do. All right, so we have our plastic awning up. I've put a bamboo sunshade up over there and over there. It's pretty janky, but honestly, it'll do for now. This is my budget, like under 1,000 yen or 10 Canadian dollars, or I guess like 8 American dollars fix. So right now we've spent 400 yen. I've already had these laying around, these little bamboo sun shields. I just need something for in here. So back to the dollar store I go. The only problem is the dollar store I went to before was completely sold out once I'd left. So let's go to a different one. But we should hurry because it's starting to look nasty out there. Yeah, I enjoy that crunchy digital zoom. Anyways, it's getting nasty over there, so I should hurry. And we're back. So I'm gonna hang one more bamboo thing, ow, and then mistakes were made. I still need to paint up there. So the bamboo's coming down for a moment. Just a moment though. Mistakes were made. I still need to paint up there. So the bamboo's coming down for a moment. Well, I've got everything up, and yeah, you can actually see the lights shining through it still, but it's going to be so much better because I do have a curtain here and my big thick winter curtain. This is going to be just infinitely better. And there it is. So it literally cost, well, I went a little over budget because of tax. So it cost 1,100 yen, or about 11 Canadian dollars, or about 9 US dollars, for my poverty awning to block those exceedingly bright lights, obnoxiously bright lights. So I'm just gonna grab some material to throw down here and a little bit more for in here. Yeah, 6 months ago those lights weren't there and I was happy, but now I've got to put up this insanity. From the outside it's not such a poverty version. There we go. And Tokyo light pollution 0, Minch 1. So there we go. We got it. And just to prove my camera is on, there's those incredibly bright lights out there behind several curtains and things, but it's so much better now. So much better. So there we go. I think that was a success.